Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you buy mutual funds on Fidelity Investment. In order to buy mutual funds on Fidelity, you have to navigate to the account and trade section. Select the account and then choose trade mutual funds. Now what you have to do is here comes, first of all, log in into your Fidelity account and navigate to the accounts and trade section. The next thing you want to do is you want to select the account where you want to buy the mutual funds and you want to trade mutual funds when you locate it. So after which, once again, you want to click on buy a mutual funds and enter the mutual fund symbol and then desired dollar amount as well. Next, you want to review the details of your purchase, including any sort of fees and all that. And once you're satisfied, you want to click place order to finalize the transaction, and that way you'll have successfully bought mutual funds on Fidelity Investments. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.